As a Pacific user with a Pro license, you can request Product Carbon Footprints, PCFs, from any of your suppliers. With the automotive license, you can also request PCFs from your suppliers via the Catena X network. Log in to Pacific and click on Components. Here, you can request PCFs for additional components from any supplier. If your supplier is already using Pacific or another PCF exchange tool within the Catena X network, you can select the company directly from the drop-down list. Enter the component name and component ID for which you want to request the PCF. Add a comment to clearly explain to your supplier what you expect to receive. If you cannot find your supplier in the drop-down list, you can enter the supplier manually. Enter the supplier company name. Enter the contact person's name and email address. Enter the component name and component ID. Add a comment so your supplier clearly understands your request. Once you submit a manual request, your supplier will receive an informational email about Pacific, including a link to a web form. Using this web form, your supplier can respond to your PCF request. Once submitted, the PCF will appear in Pacific as one of your components. If your supplier is already using Pacific or another PCF exchange tool within the Catena X network, they can provide the PCF directly through their own tool. You can also watch the video that explains how suppliers can respond to a PCF request via Pacific. If you are a BASF customer, you may already have products in your portfolio for which you want to request a PCF. This is very easy. Simply click Request PCF beneath the relevant product. With the Pro license, this process is even more efficient, as you can use bulk actions to request multiple PCFs at once. With the Pro and Automotive license, you can do so much more. Maintain your own internal component name and component ID for all PCFs collected from suppliers. And export the list of your received PCFs from all suppliers to use them further in your internal systems or processes. Pacific offers even more features. Be curious and stay signed in.